I know she like me, yeah, yeah. She wanna be my wifey, yeah, yeah. Ooh, little mama feisty, yeah, yeah. Red bottoms like high C, my little baby, my baby. She wanna slide with me in the Mercedes.
Welcome back. So today we have a special guest,
your girl, a little princess,
my bomb ass sis. So today we will be doing,
today's video we'll be doing a challenge. We'll be doing the do your makeup in 10 minutes challenge.
Yes.
Yeah.
It usually takes us forever.
Yeah, it usually takes me like 30 minutes at least to do my makeup.
35. So.
But we're gonna see like how far we could get, like, you know, how much we could get done in 10 minutes. This is gonna be hectic. I don't even know how we're about to be looking after this, but it's very interesting. So yeah, we about to just go ahead and do our eyebrows off camera.
Yeah, we have to do that first.
Yeah, just so it could be like, you know, ready to go, because my eyebrows alone takes 15 minutes.
Yeah, if you do makeup, you know that eyebrows be taking a minute to perfect and get the shape right and all. So we will be starting after we do our eyebrows.
Yeah, so we're about to go ahead and do our eyebrows, and once we're done, we're gonna come put the timer on and start with the challenge. Are you excited?
Yes.
You never really mattered too much to me. You were just too damn dull for me. All that really mattered was you were my boyfriend.
Alright guys, so brows are ready to go. That took like 10 minutes. Now we're about to go ahead and start the timer. We both got it set up on 10 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and start. As soon as we hit start, do as much as we can with our face, okay? So whatever you can get done, get it done. You got 10 minutes.
Yeah.
All right, so you ready? Ready,
Set,
start. Yeah, I'm running out of foundation, so I'm literally like over here scraping for a little bit and all that. Oh my god. All right,
and I'm over here changing colors, so I hope it's a good color.
this is not the foundation that I usually use. This is actually LondynnK's foundation, so
We gotta make it work.
I'm gonna try to finesse with that on. It has like a red undertone, which I usually don't like too much.
I'm really
What?
Yellow undertone, but this winter my skin changed like the color. You know how it gets cooler and stuff? I became a red undertone.
Girl, at this point I don't know what the fuck undertone I am. As long as it, what the fuck is that? Oh, okay. Girl, this is too much.
I am like really nervous. What the fuck?
I feel like if we don't think about it so much, it's gonna get done.
We got this. We need to be practicing because we be in a rush places.
You never know.
And we need to just know how to do this shit.
As soon as Corona is over, I need to learn how to do my makeup in like 10 minutes, because that's how quick I'm gonna be out the house.
Right. Gotta go.
Gotta go.
Bye.
That song has been stuck in your fucking head.
Yes, like that's literally us.
All I see you were singing bald head. How is she?
Oh, jeez, Lord, jeez, Lord.
Pressure, the pressure, the pressure. I've never used a stick foundation before.
Yeah, I recently started using it just for the dark contour part. And actually blends better than regular contour to me.
As foundation, I mean, it's kind of cool. I'm not mad at it. It's not watery or like oily. It's pretty nice. Let's start getting into it. Hi, let me find out. Oh my god, I done left my damn powder in the damn room. No! That's like a whole 2 seconds wasted right there. Gotta walk over there and get my damn powder.
Which powder?
To highlight.
When did you want?
Yours might be a little too light.
Too. But get yours raw.
I'm scared, Mo. I ain't never did this before. I don't like this. Bitch, I don't like it. I mean, usually if I would have like 10 minutes to get ready, I probably wouldn't do all this. I honestly wouldn't even do my eyebrows. I probably just put foundation on, lashes.
Yeah, but we trying to
a little shimmer.
Face. We trying to see if we could beat this.
Oh man.
Real quick. Okay.
I'ma just do
Where's
as
the
much
stick?
as I
Stick.
can.
Give me the stick. Thank you. See, I be doing full face, so that's why I'm nervous, because, you know, I got my little steps.
I'm not even following my steps right now. I'm just doing whatever I can as fast as I can. Oh my gosh, this is not the palette that I usually use. But, okay. We're just gonna get it popping.
I need to be moving this fast on the days. Got somewhere important to go. That's
Your ass be taking like an hour and a half. I'm not even gonna lie to you. You be taking mad fucking long.
Too fucking long. And then I'll be messing up. So it'll be turning out.
You be like, oh, I gotta do this over. I be like,
no, I be having to correct it, and then like it don't, the correction don't be going right.
I don't even like doing makeup that much, so it's like,
yeah,
I can't. If I was
we like to
sit
have
for
gone for
hours,
like an hour.
Oh my god, I can't. The max it would be like 25 minutes. I'm done.
Yeah, I have to take it off.
Cause it's like my routine. I have it like so down, like I'm used to it, so I move fast. Especially when I already know like the look that I'm about to do. Cause it's the same look that I do every day, so I don't give a fuck.
I do need to start doing eyeshadow again. I don't be doing eyeshadow.
I need to learn how to not do eyeshadow, so if you could teach me, that would be great.
Yes.
That's one thing I've never like, you know, got down, how to do the no eyeshadow look.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know how people do it.
Like after I do, when I put on my foundation, I do put it over my eyelids.
Like I've been trying to like when I'm done doing foundation and like highlighting, I will put like concealer on my lids, but I don't know how people get it to like look so like natural and like stay without cracking.
Yeah, so you put foundation on it and you see how I'm doing this powder, like you're gonna set it with the powder.
And it doesn't crack.
But like, yeah, it doesn't. I'll show you. You just gotta eat, and you also gotta blend them too. That. Oh, it's on the brow. It is on the brow. Oh my god. This is so tacky.
Girl, this is ghetto. This is how fast
The wrong motherfucking powder. Oh my god. Powder all over me.
This is how fast you be doing your makeup when like a niggas tell you he about to come over. And he's like, I'm about to pull up in 10 minutes. You're like, oh shit. Oh shit. Go. Let me
Beat
pick
in the
myself
fuck
up, girl.
Right. Be in the fuck up on my face.
I move quick as shit.
Ooh, the powder all in the hair. Lord.
Child. This is the ghettoest shit I've ever done in my
I don't
fucking
like this rushed life. I'm not doing so well in it. 2 minutes?
I really just watch some videos and see if there's anybody that actually got it done in 10 minutes.
OMJ. Oh my Jesus. It is all over the shirt, honey.
Make him look like a fucking 10-year-old did this shit. Lord. What is this stress?
For no reason. For my head.
Honestly.
Shit, I forgot. People stop texting me. Can't you see I'm rushing? Oh my fucking God.
Don't say that. Scaring me.
Oh God, we have under a minute now.
Stop! You should have never told me. Now I have anxiety. Oh Lord. Oh Lord, this is too much. You just gotta think that somebody got a gun to your head. And it's like, bitch, if you don't get this done, I'm killing your mother. So I don't got no choice but to get this done real quick. Like, no, not my mother. Hold on. Let me hurry up.
Okay, what is something off? 15 seconds. 10, 9,
Bitch, hold the fuck up. Time is up.
Look how white I look. Y'all, it's because I didn't spray yet. Okay? I don't just.
I actually got like my makeup is actually done.
Why am I looking extra white right now?
Oh yeah, you looking really.
But then in person, like if you look at me, it looks.
You look like you don't made out with a white person and their foundation got all over you.
Oh my God.
My makeup is actually done, you guys. Like all I will have to do is just put lip gloss on. I'm like, what?
Oh, when did you
Look.
put your lashes on?
Bitch, just now before this shit went off. I actually finished.
What the hell? How the hell did you beat me?
Like I got my contour on, I highlighted, I contoured my nose, I did my eyeshadow, I even added a little shimmer in the middle, put my lashes on. I'm shook.
Y'all, I'm telling you, in person, like if you look at me from glow sticks, it doesn't look bright.
Yeah,
like
it
this.
doesn't look that
It doesn't
white.
look bright, so it's the light.
But yes, this is the final one. It's okay. Next time we'll do like 15 minutes. I think in 15 minutes we'll be done.
Yeah, I would have put my lashes on and all. So
Yeah. Well, this is it, you guys. It was a quick challenge. This was very stressful. I was not enjoying it the whole time. My blood pressure was high. It was just too much.
I suggest y'all really try to do this so that way in the future references, if you're rushing, you already know what to do, how much to do, and yeah, so you should really test yourself.
Exactly. But yeah, this was really fun.
No, it wasn't. I'm nervous.
It really was not fun. I was scared the whole time. I'm like, oh my God. But I'm actually impressed with, like, you know, the way my makeup came out. Because 10 minutes I actually got, I mean, we did like eyebrows off camera, but still, like 10 minutes.
I could go without any lashes. I just would need to spray.
Yeah,
and, then,
and just like mascara.
yeah.
That's what I was saying. Just do what you can. You know, what's most important first.
Ma'am.
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know comment down below some more
Comment,
challenges
subscribe, follow.
that we could do.
everything, and check out our Instagrams to see updated pics.
Period.
And info.
You follow me and my girl. Period. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye.
Ride with me, spend some time with me. Say you tryna be my everything, and that's fine with me. I ain't never gonna lie to you, so don't you lie to me. Know that you can have my heart if you just treat it properly.